Football is one of the most widely watched sports in all over the world, and there are thousands and millions of people that have passion about football. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 different ways you can make money with football. Yes, in you can turn this passion you have about football into money. 7 different ways. So stay with me to the end of this video. Do not skip any part, for I will show you 7 different and genuine way you can make money with football by turning your passion to money. So the first one is to actually go into fantasy Premier League. Now, how does this fantasy Premier League work? So when you come to this website, I'll put the website below. You will come to the home page here. Now, in this place here, when you come here, you will be appointed as the fantasy manager. So when you register, of course, you sign in, you have an account, and you become a fantasy manager in the sense that you're able to manage some players that you like. You can choose any player from any team whatsoever that you like. You bring them together and they begin to play. Now, you must understand that on this website they will give you 100 million euro to play with. So it's to play, not like the money you cash out, it's to play with. And when you have selected your 15 players and they begin to play, they'll begin to play in the real life, in the real match. So anything they play in the real match is going to determine your position and the money you will get on this website. Do you get it now? So all you have to do is to select any player that you have with your 100 million euro, and at the long run, if you are successfully be enough to actually win, so you'll be given the first prize winner will be given a 7-night break in the United Kingdom, including VIP hospitality. This is wonderful. With this, when you win, you'll be able to enjoy first class VIP treats. Yeah, it's very simple like that. So immediately you come to this website and you play as a fantasy manager, select your player of 15 players together. Of course, 11 will be playing. We have 15 you can bench for, and this player begin to play in the real life and they begin to actually do wonderfully well. You actually make your money, and these are some of the benefits you earn. Apart from the 7-night break, you also have a week worth of experience at popular tourist attraction, courtesy of Visit Britain. You also have that is included, travel included with 7 night accommodation. You have a copy of FIFA 22 and a game console. You have a Nike manager jacket. You have so many opportunities you can actually earn on playing as a fantasy manager, fantasy Premier League. There are also other ones like fantasy UEFA and other sports, of course, that is related to football. The second way you can make money is through prediction. Yes, we call it Super Bowl prediction. You are going to predict the outcome of some matches, of what's going to happen in some matches. And one thing about this process is that it is absolutely free. You predict the outcome, and when you win, you get some points. And when the points come together, you can convert this point to money, to USD, to dollars, and it can enable you to be able to live the life you so desire. Not just you shouting, not just you arguing. You can actually convert this passion you have, this energy you have, to be able to make money and to live the kind of life you desire with your passion. Now, the third way you can make money with football is through viewing center. You all are aware of viewing center. Viewing center is more or less like a public place where people can come to view football, to watch their favorite team. So all you have to do is not necessarily you have a big place. You can start from anywhere, and within a short period of time begin to expand. All you need is you have your plasma, your decoder, and transmit live matches. People come, you can charge between 100 naira, 150, 200 naira per matches, and in a day they can play up to like 2 or 3 matches. Within just a single match, you can make up to 10,000 naira, even more than that. All you have to do is to carry bench and tables, and and you begin to progress. You can, apart from actually view matches, you can begin to sell soft drinks, recharge card to supplement your earnings. This is a wonderful way in which you can just actually transform what you desire most into money. Another way you can actually make money from football is by selling football merchandise. So things that are related to football, like the football boot, football itself, like football khaki, football jersey, and every other thing that's related to football. You can begin to say that so many people that they are so passionate about their team, like you and I, that they can even design their house with their team. They can paint the color of their room with their team. There are so many things you can sell online that is related to football. So many one of them you can sell. So instead of you just having passion, you can actually convert your passion to money. Number 4 is by going into blogging. Yes, blogging. You must understand that blogging is more or less writing about what you love. And since you love football, since you love talking about football, you can create a blog post. There are so many ways you can do that for free, like going to blogpost.com. Google has created a platform in which you can begin to blog for free. I'll put the link below. It's a common place. Since you have Gmail, you have access to it, you can just create a free account and begin to create blog posts. People begin to come and watch, begin to read what you have actually in the article you have written. And when you have more viewers, you can come actually and put ad on it and begin to make cool cash. You can write article about the best player, the richest player, you can write article about anything you so desire that is related to football. Write about it and begin to make cool cash. Another way, which is number 6, is to vlogging. Vlogging is like YouTube, like what you are watching now is vlogging. All you have to do is to actually talk about like a commentation about anything related to football. You can talk about what happened in football, recent happening in football, about the best football players, about the latest skills of football, and this and that. Because football is what you enjoy doing, you need to make cool money by just creating videos surrounding football. And we're in the season of football. There are so many topics you can talk about in football that can earn you cash. Just create a short video. You can get free clips. Just go to pizzabell.com and you see free clips related to football. Put it together, include your voice. It's not a must to show your face. Include your voice. Talk about football. Talk about what you love. Talk about that thing that you desire, and you begin to make cash from it. Now, the last one I'm going to show you here is through betting. Yes, you can actually make money through football betting. So there are so many football betting outside there. We have, for example, the 1xBet, NigerBet, and NairaBet in Nigeria, and other ones all over the world. You can actually make money from betting. Just bet about your football team. Put a little amount. I want to advise you to put a large money into it because it is a 50-50 stuff. So if you make money, good, and if you don't make money, well, don't put large money because it's a risky stuff. It's like betting is risky. I want to advise you to actually go into it in full time. Just is a risky stuff. So, ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I've shown you 7 different ways you can make money with football. 1, fantasy Premier League. 2, super blue prediction. The 3rd one is true viewing center. The 4th one, football merchandise. The 5th one, to blogging. The 6th one, vlogging, and the 7th one, which is betting. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value in this video, kindly click on the subscribe button if you're a new subscriber, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for trusting me. I love you so much. So please, ladies and gentlemen, I look forward to see you in the next video, because keep coming to this channel, subscribe, turn on the notification button, because I create video on how you can make money online and to be how to become more productive in your businesses. Thank you so much. My name is Daniel Oboye, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.